going to read, Macie? Our button shirt? You want to read the belly button shirt, Pete the cat? Okay, let's read it. This is called Pete the cat and his 4 groovy buttons. There he is with his buttons. Here he is. Okay, let's look. Pete the cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his shirts, his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! And Grammy always goes, boing. Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? How many's left? 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. There he is with his 3 buttons. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now what's next? Did Pete cry? Did he cry, Macie? Say no. No, goodness, no! Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing this song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? How many are left? 2! 3 minus 1 equals 2. Did he cry? Did he cry? Did he cry? Say no. Goodness, no! Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, not yet! No, my buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My 2 groovy buttons. Pop! Bang! Oh no, Macie, oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 1! Macie, do 1. 1 finger, 1! 1 left! 1! 2 minus 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Oh, pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 0. Did Pete cry? Did he cry? Goodness, no. You tell him no, he didn't cry. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? What did he see, Macie? What did he see? What did Pete see at his buttonless shirt? Look, he looked down. What did he see? Look. What did he see? Tell him. What did he see? His belly button! And he kept on singing his song. My button, they still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. Hooray! He has his belly button! I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no. Macie say, goodness, no. We keep on singing, 'cause it's all good. Buttons come and buttons go. Macie, it's all good. My buttons, I still have my belly button. That's the end. That is our story of Pete the cat and his 4 groovy buttons. And that is like the 5th time we have read that tonight. Want to watch it? Okay, you say bye-bye, everybody.